fragmentation can be defined as habitat loss result in the division of large, continuous habitats into smaller and more isolated remnants. Without us realizing, University Malaysia Terengganu has been one of the places that undergone habitat fragmentation. UMT itself is originally a wetland site as it is situated near the sea. Thus, in this video, we are emphasizing the impacts of habitat fragmentations to the wildlife on wetlands. According to the Ramsar Convention Secretariat, wetland can be defined as the area of marsh, fen, or peatland that are natural or temporary, characterized by water that are static or flowing, fresh, brackish or salt, including area of marine water, which the depth at low tide does not exceed 6 meters. Wetland can act in various functions such as water purification, flood protection, shoreline stabilization, and habitat for fish and wildlife. There are few effects from the habitat fragmentation activities such as habitat loss, decreasing in breeding and nesting sites, declining at food sources, and conflicts between human and wildlife. Firstly, habitat loss is a reduction to patches area, with resulting declines in population density and species richness, and significant alterations to community composition, species interactions, and ecosystem functioning. Next, the degradation poses serious threats to birds and wildlife worldwide as it destroys their sites for breeding and nesting. In addition, habitat fragmentation is causing the wildlife to go over their boundaries for food and habitat foraging. Thus, it resulted in conflicts between human and wildlife. Humans see them as intruders that will cause harm to human population, and eventually, human in the end will cause injuries to the wildlife because of this wrong perception. From these impacts stated, it is very crucial for us humankind to protect and conserve our nature. Thus, to have viable wildlife populations in the next century, we can do these few things. First is mangrove replanting. The mangrove replanting is done at wetland as ecological restoration to rehabilitate the functions of wetland as water purification, flood protection, shoreline stabilization, and habitat for fish and wildlife. Next is sanctuaries for wetland. By creating sanctuaries for wetland, this act can prevent the uses of wetland and in the meantime protect the wildlife that inhabit the wetland.
It's my